I firmly believe that if you learn all of these skills, if you take this e-course, you study it, you practice what you learn, and eventually you master it, you are going to love and enjoy wearing a hair system, and it is going to dramatically enhance your life. Your life is going to improve. The way you feel about yourself is going to improve. The relationships that you have with others are going to improve. Your professional life is going to improve. I believe that a hair system is just the start of a journey towards a better you in the future. And I believe that if you use this ebook, if you use the knowledge and you continue your journey towards mastery with a hair system and you don't give up, you constantly get 1% better every single day, you'll wake up very, very soon from now feeling very confident that you can handle anything a hair system throws at you, that you look your best, and that you can go live life like you've never lived it before. Thank you so much for downloading this ebook. LaVivid and I are so excited to walk with you on this journey that you are embarking on, and we have full confidence that you are not only going to be able to master everything, but have an amazing, amazing life and feel very, very confident. Please feel free to reach out to LaVivid if you have any questions, if you need any help, and we will see you soon.